In this guide, I'll show you how to post more than 10 pictures in a single Instagram post. Instagram has recently allowed users to post up to 20 photos or videos in a single post, which is double the previous limit. This is perfect for those who want to share even more moments with their followers. Follow my steps to learn how to make the most of this new feature. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're using iPhone and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, update it immediately. Once you've done that, open your Instagram app. When you're on the home page, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you're on your profile, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Right after that, tap the post option. This will take you to the page where you need to select photos and videos for your post. Before you start selecting photos and videos, tap the small square icon on the right side to enable the option to select multiple photos. Once you've done that, you can now select up to 20 photos and videos you want to share in one Instagram post. Now you can see that you can choose more than 10 photos. A few years ago, Instagram had a limit that allowed posting only up to 10 photos or videos in a single post. This limit was set due to technical reasons and the app's capacity, as well as to maintain a quality and organized presentation of content. As Instagram continued to develop and improve, the ability to post more photos and videos in a single post was introduced, making it easier for users to share more content at once. If you can't add more than 10 photos, the update may not yet be available in your region. In that case, wait a bit until Instagram rolls out the update for your region. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, it would be great if you could like and share. See you very soon.